Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to channel some random messages from our spirit guides. And before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with me, you can avail or you can support our Baywitch and Co merchandise available at Shopee Shop. Nandiyan po yung link sa description box. Okay. So, ano kaya yung messages ng ating spirit guides right now? Okay, let's pull some energy card first. And to those who supported this channel, thank you so much. I always sending lots of Reiki healing energy for you, my loves, because if you feel resonated with me, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Okay, the crossroads, the wolf, and the club. Okay, so right now I feel the energy of, let's say na you are the one, my loves, na sabihin natin you make decision from friendship. I also see that is because of the drama and the conflict. Kung makikita natin, ito yung unang card natin, kung mapapansin niyo, ito yung unang card natin. They are part ways, diba? So, dito, meron tayong crossroads, dun pa lang sa unang card natin, crossroads na, and dito, nandito yung, kumbaga, tingnan nyo yung wolf kung saan yung direction niya. Tingnan nyo yung wolf kung saan yung direction niya. And, sabihin natin na it is cause or this decision made from conflict and drama because of this card, the club. Okay. So, some of you, my loves, na kumbaga, kung makikita natin itong unicorn na to and yung kanyang, sabihin natin, pumili siya ng choices. Some of my collectives ay sabihin natin tinalikuran. And some of my collectives na sabihin natin lumilingon pa rin. Okay? And I also feel na this is because of the friendship. Kung makikita natin dito sa card na to, this is not intended for love energy reading, but I also feel that because of these cards. Kung titingnan natin, may isang tumalikod dito, may isa ding tumalikod dito, pero yung isa nakalingon pa rin. It's either na kung ito ay friendship, my loves, and ito ay sabihin natin nagkakos ng drama, conflict, and sabihin natin opposition. Ayan. Kung ito ay friendship, maaaring kayong dalawa ay nag-away dahil sa may pinili or may pinanigan or sumama sa ibang kaibigan. Itong nakakaapekto sa'yo. Sumama sa ibang kaibigan, and but I strongly feel din na this is love energy. Why? Because the princess is intended to ride on this horse. Kung mapapansin niyo, they are, sabihin natin, they are both charming, they are both charms. Itong ating unicorn and itong ating princess. I feel na one of you then, if ever na this is love energy, one of you ay, kumbaga, ihinihiwalay ng kaibigan, pero pilit siyang lumilingon sa'yo. Siya ay nakikiride sa kanyang kaibigan or mga kaibigan. Siya ay masasabi nating supported by their friends. Pero ikaw nagdesisyon ka na pumili ng panibagong or kaya pinili mo yung option na kumbaga, tinindigan mo, you stand your ground and pinili mo yung option na to. Siya naman nagpadala sa flow ng kanilang, sabihin natin, kung saan ang friends niya, nandun din siya. Pwede yun if this is some love reading energy. And that is because the conflict, my loves, that is because of the conflict. Ito yung kumbaga kinos nung and maybe pwede din itong maging effect. For some of you, because of the part ways, may isang tumalikod, may isang sabihin nating tumalikod sa kanilang partnership. I really feel the partnership here. Kung matititigan nyo yung princess, kumbaga, and also sabihin natin, sila, kung titingnan nyo, sila yung bagay na magkaangkas or magkasakay. And maybe nag-cause din ito ng conflict because of some of you tumalikod sa isa't isa, and kumbaga yung isa ay napilitan, or pero I feel dito napilitan na lang makiride doon sa flow, kung nasaan ang friends, kung nasaan ang support, kung nasaan ang sabihin natin, nandun ang kanyang loyalty. But deep inside, nililingon ng taong to, itong nag-decide na iba ng landas, na magdesisyon. Maybe this is also a cutting cord or nag-cut off ng kanilang connection. And this conflict, because of the opposition, maybe hindi kayo nagkasundo, maybe meron kayong hindi pinagkasunduan. Okay, let's see some card. Let's pull some card for another supporting messages about this energy. Kumbaga, doon siya nakikiride sa kanyang mga kaibigan because the wolf symbolizes friendship. And feeling niya, ang tingin ko kasi dito, I strongly feel dito sa princess is parang napipilitan niya. Gusto niya talaga na dito sumakay sa unicorn. Diba? Napakaganda. Ang ganda nilang tingnan, pero medyo nakakalungkot because magkatalikod yung direksyon. Maaaring meron kang, sabihin natin, okay, meron kang lovers na hindi kasundo ng inyong friends. Pwedeng lumitaw yan. And ito yung energy na kumbaga nagkakos sa'yo ng emotional pain. And one of you, pinanindigan nila na kung ayaw nila sa akin, ayoko din sa kanila. Pwede yun, pinanindigan nila yun. And dahil nga, yung mga friends naman niya, they supported this part ways. They are, sabihin natin, excited. I feel na the excitement, kung titingnan niyo yung wolf, parang kumbaga tumatakbo siya na naka-smile. I feel the excitement of this, the part ways. And willing sila. Kumbaga, basta nandun or kasama nila itong taong to. Okay. So, ito yung dalawa na, yes! This is to confirm that this is love reading. Okay, my loves? This is love reading because of the Two of Cups. Sabihin natin that Two of Cups is the most significant card for lovers. Okay, my loves? Kaya kanina pa lang sa reading natin, parang ang naramdaman ko din is this is love reading energy. And another one is the reverse of Knights of Swords, bully. Okay, lumabas dito yung pagiging bully, rude, and aggressive. Maybe this one is my collectives. And I strongly feel na itong wolf na to, itong friendship na lumitaw dito, they are the bully, the rude, the tactless, and maybe also this person na pinili nyong talikuran. Even na sabihin natin they are mutual attraction. Okay, because of the, sabihin natin, yung friendship na meron siya, kumbaga hindi mo siya gusto because of the tactlessness, the rudeness, and yung pagiging bully nung kanyang pack. Pack is, di ba yun yung group of wolf. So, dito, let's see what is the club all about? What is this drama all about? Okay, so I strongly feel my collectives are decided to disconnect, or sabihin natin tinalikuran niya, but your person this one na kumbaga tinalikuran mo ay nakalingon pa rin sa'yo. Siya ay nakikiride lang sa kanyang mga friends or kung sino man yung kanyang sinasamahan right now, kung sino man yung team niya right now, kung sino man yung pack niya right now, but still nakalingon pa rin siya sa'yo. And I also feel that this is unified, or sabihin natin there's a close bonds here. I feel na there's a destined connection with this because the harmonization of the colors, let's kung mapapansin mo, and I strongly feel this is sabihin natin the current energy for this year din. Ito yung pwedeng maging highlight din ng iyong year. Okay. What is this drama, opposition, and conflict all about? Oh, diba? This is divine love because of the Ten of Cups. But ito ay sabihin natin naapektuhan ng mga sabihin natin bully or rude and arrogant people na nakasurrounded dito sa person na tinalikuran mo. Ito because there's a divine love here. There's kasi Ten of Cups to, kung makikita ninyo, sabi ko, kagaya na naramdaman ko kanina, this is sabihin natin destined, kaya lang they are, and I strongly feel they are in separation right now. You, my collectives, are inseparated with this person, with these people. And if this is not resonated with you as love, maybe this is friendship. Kumbaga pinili mo humiwalay, but lumitaw kasi to the partnership, maybe best friend, yung best friend mo nasama sa ibang grupo, pwede yun. But dito sa Ten of Cups talaga, I strongly feel na there's a conflict between your divine love, divine union. There's a conflict here. And yun nga, ang nagiging cause nito is the arrogant, ruthless, bully, rude ng mga taong sinasamahan niya. Although meron I also feel itong taong to na tinalikuran mo na nakalingon sa iyo right now is wala siyang sariling paninindigan. Kasi tingnan nyo, kahit wala siyang magawa, go with the flow lang siya. Kahit nasabihin na may care siya sa'yo, nililingon ka niya, hindi hindi kanya kayang sabihin na pwede siyang bumaba dito, but hindi, kumbaga nakikiride siya. So hindi niya kayang panindigan kung ano man yung pagtingin na meron siya sa'yo. But dito natutuwa ako dito because the images of this unicorn, and this symbolizes you, my collectives, na you are standing your ground, keeping your shine, keeping your posture, keeping yourself kumbaga stand and strong. Napakaganda. Kumbaga pumili ka ng choices, anong option na makakabuti sa'yo. And if ever doon sa person na yon na pinayagan na lang ang lahat, na nag-go with the flow, may regrets akong nararamdaman dito dahil they still into you. Nakalingon pa rin siya sa'yo. Kaso ito nga, if this is divine union, I feel na ang dami niyong pagdadaanan. Dahil nandito sa conflict na to, drama, itong union na to, may mga opposition or merong hindi natutuwa because of the opposition here. hindi, merong mga hindi natutuwa. Maaaring pag halimbawa itong taong to nakiride ulit sa'yo, sumama sa'yo, merong mga magagalit. Pag itong dalawang to, pag nagsama sila, may mga magagalit at they are, sabihin natin, pupunta agad-agad with sabihin natin mga energy vampires to. I really feel kasi itong club na to ay ito yung kumbaga villain dito sa story ng cards na to. And itong dalawang to, pag nandito silang dalawa, bigla siyang matitrigger yung conflict. Okay? Pag yung dalawang to, imagine nyo si Princess ay sumakay doon kay Unicorn. Bigla tong dahil they are rushing. Kung makikita natin, pupunta siya, darating siya as conflict. Okay, so yun, kumbaga, this is destined. Pero nandito din sa gitna to. But I also feel na ito yung ito talaga nakatadhana sa inyo, but may may magkakos ng conflict because of the magkaibang direction, maybe magkaibang paniniwala or hindi same vibe. Yon. Speaking of vibe, itong person mo, I feel na nandun siya sa vibe na kumbaga kamukha niya or ka-vibe niya, ka-frequency niya itong mga bully na to. So, they are same in frequency. Even na siya ay nakatadhana sa'yo as sabihin nating divine, the divine partner. Ito ay diba, ang mga frequency kasi ng mga bully na tao ay nandun sa lower than our root chakras. So, kumbaga, may mga imbalances doon. Maaaring ka-vibe niya itong mga taong sinasamahan niya because, hindi ito maaari, ito is sure. Ka-vibe niya to because they are same in frequency. They are same state of frequency. So, maaaring kung mag-i-stay siya doon, talaga magkakaroon ng conflict ang inyong union. Okay? And, sabihin natin, napakaganda ng nakadestin sa inyo. Sobrang, tingnan nyo, you are blessed once na kayo talaga ang nagsama. I also feel the abundance here, the blessings here, pero right now, hindi kayo nasa same state. Pero ito, tingnan nyo, napakaganda. Halatang destined kayo eh. Pero hindi kayo nasa same state. Look at the wolf, that symbolizes the friendship in this reading. Tingnan nyo, napaka-plain. Diba? Napaka-plain. And this one is, kung baga sa phoenix, ibinuka na niya yung kanyang bloom. Nag-bloom na siya. Ito na, as unicorn, kung baga, sobrang enchanted ng kanyang itsura. Ganon din si princess eh. Pero dito siya nakasama. Okay? So, let's pull some messages. Another supporting messages for about this reading. I strongly feel that also this opposition blocked a child. Kung may tadhana naman na sabihin natin dapat ay isilang, sabihin natin, let's assume na isilang, this pack of wolf ay kumbaga binablock itong destiny na to. And they may causes them karma for that, for doing that. Kasi kumbaga maaari din na ito ay mga karmic friends na magtuturo sa kanila ng lesson, and yung lesson na yon nasa sa kanya yon. But I strongly feel if ikaw ay talagang sabihin natin na nandun sa iyong perfect state of mind, nandun kasi frequency na kung saan ay you live peacefully, hindi ka nagpapaka-rude, hindi ka bully, and hindi ka aggressive, maaari din talaga na merong nagbablock ng inyong union. Okay, let's pull some supporting messages about this energy. Okay. Okay, so there's a good news coming your way. Maybe This is for our collectives because dun siya kung titingnan natin magkaharap yung dalawang supporting cards. There's a good news letter. Oh. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, there's a separation. I read some separation here, but I strongly feel na there's a phone call na pwedeng dumating, word of mouth, and it causes you enthusiasm. Okay, so right now, as sabihin natin, ang kailangang lumitaw na dito yung discord dito sa ating card na friendship. I strongly feel na magkakaroon kayo ulit ng communication, magkakaroon ng phone call, may darating na good news phone call or word of mouth na sabihin natin kung madi-discord itong taong to dito sa kanyang piniling samahan. And also, I feel na there's a news na paparating na clashing. Okay, clashing and sabihin natin discord. Maaaring dito din sa pack of wolves na to na tinutukoy natin, merong clashing na magaganap. So, ayan, kagaya nga ng sinabi natin, hindi sila pwedeng mag-harmonize. Yes, they are on the same vibe, they are on the same state, pero hindi sila pwedeng manatili doon. Kaya nga sila binibigyan ng lesson. So, meron sa kanila na pwedeng mag-evolve, mag-elevate, and pwedeng mag-cause yun sa kanila ng clashing and discord. Pwede ding because this, sabihin natin, pack of wolves, they are imbalanced, they are self-indulgence, they are excess doon sa mga pambubuli, sa mga, sabihin natin, they are indulged doon sa yung karaniwang state of frequency, which is yung the lower state na, kumbaga, parang yung pain ng iba, yung ikinasisiya mo. Yung pain ng iba, yung iginogosip mo, at ikinasisiya mo, yung pagiging rude mo, yung ikinasisiya mo, that is the lower state of vibration. So, doon nakasama itong taong to eh. But, when this wall of pack or one of this wall of pack ay nagkaroon ng evolution or nagkaroon, sabihin natin, ng raising, kahit sabihin mo na konti lang yan, ma-raise lang ng konti ang vibration yan, pwedeng magkaroon ng clashing and discord dito sa kanilang grupo or pack. Okay? And maaaring iyon yung laman ng news na dumating sa'yo. Okay. So, I don't think na ina-expect mo to. Kasi parang dito sa aura, sa energy ng ating collectives, ay parang wala na siyang pakialam. Sa totoo lang. They are, kagani sinabi ko, standing their ground. Tingnan nyo yung kung paano niya itaas, i-cheer up yung kanyang sarili, kung paano siya manamit, paano siya tumalikot without regrets. Parang wala na siyang pakialam dito, but still, dahil nga, ito ay sabihin natin, involve yung taong destined sa kanya, may maririnig pa rin siya. May maririnig siyang news about this wolf, about this pack of wolves na kumbaga nag-iba ng direksyon or maaaring sila ang dahilan kung bakit or naglayo sa'yo sa taong to. Diba? The world card. Okay, lumitaw ang world card natin and maaaring ito ay pwede din sabihin, hindi naman siya natin pwedeng ikasiya kung sila ay masisira. Hindi naman, pwede din hindi din literary na talagang literal na away, but may tendency na, yun nga, kung may magdi-discord o yung hindi masyadong attached, hindi matatakot manindigan sa kanyang, sabihin natin, sariling perspective, pwede magkaroon dito ng success dito about this card, about this union, about this, sabihin natin, alignment. And sabihin natin, pwedeng ma-accomplish yun, ma-achieve, and ma-fulfill after this one. Pag nangyari to dito sa second energy natin. I also feel na the world card also symbolizes if this wolf pack ay may ginawa sa yung hindi maganda, maaaring bumalik na lahat sa kanila yon. So kung itong wolf of pack na to ang dahilan kung nang nag-cause ng conflict dito sa connection na to, maaaring bumalik sa kanila na sila naman ngayon ang magkaroon ng conflict. Okay, so let's see some angel messages and advice from the spirits. Okay. Spirits want you to know that there is the big happy changes. So kagaya na nga ng world card changes. So world card symbolizes also changes, and sabihin nating sense of belonging, sense of wholeness. So at the spirits wants you to know na yung big happy changes na yun ay may kinalaman dito sa alignment and connection with your divine partner. Okay? Sobrang ganda. And I think if you watch this reading, this is resonated with you because this is not intended for love reading, my loves. Talagang lumitaw siya. Maaaring ito talaga ay kailangan mong marinig right now. But, you know, I'm proud of you sa kung ano yung you standing your ground, my collectives. But kagaya ng sinabi ni spirits, you deserve a big happy changes. So maybe if you are, sabihin natin, nandun pa rin sa mode na ng drama, ng emotional imbalance, maybe pag ikaw ang nandito sa dinescribe kong character ng unicorn na standing their ground, naka-cheer up, ma-manifest na tong big happy changes about this success and alignment of this union. Okay? So, right now, habang ikaw ay, kumbaga, habang wala pa to or habang paparating pa lang to, let's see some self-care messages for my collectives, because I really love my collectives and I want you to prioritize yourself. Even you are in divine union, I want you to love yourself first. Okay? Habang, ito, ang ganda eh. Kagaya na sinabi ko, my loves, kung wala ka pa dito, ikaw to. And you deserve happy changes because pinanindigan mo. I'm so proud of you kasi ikaw ang nililingon. Diba? Ikaw ang nililingon, my loves. Wala, kumbaga dito, pinili mo yung direction mo, and siya, alam niyang wala siya sa tamang direction. Okay? And para mas ma-nurture pa ang iyong sarili, let's pull some card. Okay, create art. So, habang, kumbaga, maybe it is time for you to discover art or to use your hands. Maaari din na ito ay, kumbaga, yung pangyayaring to ay pwede maging inspiration mo, magkakapagbigay sa'yo ng more and more power and strength. Okay? So, you deserve big happy changes, my loves. And don't worry, the divine is, kumbaga, watching. The divine is watching. They are watching about this bully. Okay? Kahit gano'ng kabuli yung mga taong to, ito ang card mo, my loves. The world card, and itong world card ay para dito sa alignment with your union. Kahit sino pa yung opposite dyan or yung opposition, your ops, you deserve. The spirits want you to know na you are, there's a big happy changes coming your way. Okay? And that's all for this reading. I am sending you lots of love and light. See you in my next one.